Next, we will discuss a few examples in which it is necessary to apply the integration by parts twice, but the second application leads to an interesting outcome. Let's do the following example in which we have the product of the natural exponential function and cosine of x. We rewrite the integrand and choose u and dv, and integrate by parts by differentiating u to find du and integrating dv to find v. We apply the integration by parts formula and produce a new integral which is similar to the original one and can be found with another integration by parts. We choose new u and dv and integrate by parts again by differentiating u to find du and integrating dv to find v. The second integration by parts formula results in the integral that is exactly the same as the original problem. So we created a loop. We introduce I to replace the original integral everywhere it appears. After removing all the intermediate results, we now have the following equation in terms of I. We simplify the right-hand side. To collect all i's on one side, we add I to both sides. And to isolate I, we divide both sides by 2. And we add plus c to the result. We now have the answer to the original problem. We will refer to this type of integral as a loop integral. Let's do another example in which we have the product of two functions. We rewrite the integrand and choose u and dv and integrate by parts by differentiating u to find du and integrating dv to find v. We apply the integration by parts formula and produce a new integral which is similar to the original integral and can also be found with another integration by parts. We choose new u and dv and integrate by parts again by differentiating u to find du and integrating dv to find v. The second integration by parts formula results in the integral that is exactly the same as the original problem. So we created a loop. We introduce I to replace the original integral everywhere it appears. After removing all the intermediate results, we now have the following equation in terms of I. We simplify the right-hand side. To collect all i's on one side, we add 1 over 36 of I to both sides. And to isolate I, we multiply both sides by 36 over 37. And we add plus c to the result at the end. We now have the answer to the original problem. We discussed a few examples called loop integrals, which appear when the second integration by parts results in the original integral.